Stop. Want to learn Roman numerals from 1 to 50 in just a few minutes? Let's make it super easy. In this video, you will learn the number names and Roman numerals. Hello everyone. We learn serial number, Roman name and number names. 1. O-N-E 1. If you are student for preparing for exams, this video will really help you. 2. T-W-O 2. Serial number 3. T-H-R-E-E 4. Watch till and test yourself with fun questions. 4. F-O-U-R 5. Share to your kids. Don't forget to subscribe. F-I-V-E 5. 6. 51 to 100 we will give you in next video. XIX 6. 7. Subscribe, share and comment yes for next 51 to 100 to learn more about Roman numbers and number names. S-E-V-E-N 7. 8. You will learn Roman numbers and number name in few minutes. Please watch my video till end. E-I-G-H-T. This is very super duper easy. 9. N-I-N-E 9. Serial number 10. T-E-N 10. So next we have 11 to 20. 11 E-L-E-V-E-N 12 T-W-E-L-V-E 12. 13. These are very easy. So watch my video. So make it more and more easy. T-H-I-R-T-T-N is 13. 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. Next we have 15. In Roman numbers, 15. F-I-V-E-E-N. Then we have 16. In Roman numbers, 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N. 17 in Roman numbers. Number names. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. 18 in Roman numbers. 18. In number names, E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. Serial number 19. Roman numbers 19. Number names N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 20 in serial numbers. Roman numbers 20. Number names T-W-E-N-T-Y. So next we have 21 to 30. Serial number 21. Roman numbers 21. Number names 2 T W E N T Y O N E 1. Serial number 22. Roman number 22. Number names T W E N T Y T W O 22. Serial number 23. Roman numbers also 23. Number names T W E N T Y T H E R E E. Serial number 24. Roman number 24. Number names T W E N T Y F O U R 24. Next we have 25. In Roman number 25. Number names T W E N T Y F I V E 25. Next we have 26 in serial numbers. Roman number 26. Number name T W E N T Y S I X 26. 27 in serial number. Roman number also 27. Number names T W E N T Y S C V E N. Serial number 28. Roman number 28. Number names T W E N T Y E I G H T 29. Serial number. Roman number 29. Number names T W E N T Y N I N E 29. Serial number 30. Roman number 30. Number name T H I R T Y. Follow as subscribe for 51 to 100 to learn more easier 1 to 100 Roman number name and serial numbers. Next we have 31 to 40. 31 serial number. Roman number 31. Number names T H I R T Y N O N E 1. Serial number 32. Roman number 32. And number names T H I R T Y T W O 2. Serial number 33. Roman number 33. Number names T H I R T Y T H R E E 3. Serial number 34. Roman number 34. Number names T H I R T Y F O U R 34. Serial number 35. Roman number 35. Number name T H I R T Y F I V E 35. So next we have serial number 36. Roman number 36. Number names THIRTYSIX. Serial number 37. Roman number 37. Number names 37. Number names 37. Serial number 38. Roman number also 38. And number names THIRTYEIGHT. Serial number 39. Roman number also 39. Number names THIRTYNINE. Serial number 40. Roman number 40. Number names FOURTY 40. Follow and subscribe. Reminder, as you forget first one. So next we have 41 to 50. Last 10 numbers and names. Serial number 41. Roman number 41. Number names FOURTYONE. Serial number 42. Roman number 42. Number names FOURTYTWO 42. Serial number 43. Roman number 43. Number names FOURTY THREE 44. Serial number. Roman number 44. Number names FOUR 44. Serial number 45. Roman number 45. Number names FOURTYFIVE. Next we have 46. Roman number 46. And number names also 46. FOURTYSIX. Serial number 47. Roman number 47. Number names 47. FOURTYSEVEN. Serial number 48. Roman number 48. And number names FOURTYEIGHT. So last digit, second last 49. Serial number. Roman number 49. Number names FOURTYNINE 50. Last digit. Roman numbers 50. Number names FIFTY 51 to 100. In next video, please subscribe us, follow, share for 51 to 100. Don't forget to share with your kids, as they can learn more about maths of Roman numbers and number names.